guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hello, it's Marissa again. I am here bringing you the June kit. So let's go through it quick. We'll open it up together. And then the opening. It got some bumped over there. I hope it didn't affect the kit. Find out if it did or not. See that? Let's see if the corner protectors work this time. By the way, Be Awesome is our Born to Be Awesome is our kit. Title of the kit. Let's see. Oh no! This one doesn't have the corner protectors. I was hoping that it had the corner protector. So this is kind of sad. Oh well, we'll work with it, guys. Anyway, so here is our kit this month, or June, for the month of June. We are starting with the templates. Most of you probably had seen what it is. Oh wow, I like this borders. I love it. Look, put it together. There it is. Wait, this way. This is so awesome. Like the kit. Okay, and this is an a la carte cliffhanger 1B, and this is the 1A. We also have an a la carte bear. Oh wow, how cute is that? And then we have this, which is an a la carte ranger. So I guess this is for the ranger badges or the ranger signs. And then we also have, and looks like this is a chipboard. Today is awesome, and it is a chipboard. Oh, I love this. We have a title right here, guys. This is really cute. Let's see what else we have here. Looks like we have other elements here, and yes, we do, and they are stars. And I really like this. They're the cork papers, and there's 2 big ones and 3 small ones. Oh, I love that. So now let's get on to our cards. These are the 4x6s. As usual, I'm gonna go through them fast. And then we have the 4x6s here. I'm sorry, I meant that was 4x4. And these are the 4x6s here. Alright guys, we are on to my favorite part. The papers. So I'm gonna go through this fast as normal. These are so cute, masculine all the way. Oh my gosh. So I just noticed there is one protector up here in this corner and one that was up in this corner, but none from the bottom. And guess where I had the accident? On the bottom. Okay guys, I will be right back for my layout. Hi guys, I am back. I know. It's a few days later. I am here to finish the layout for our Kiwi Lane June Club Kit. I've already sort of played with the templates, and this is how I'm going to use them. Right there. These are the pictures I'm going to play with today, and this is my son. And then I'll put the titles down here. Okay, so I'm going to put this away, put them away so I won't lose them. The templates we're going to use are this chevrons 3B, and this is chevrons 2A. Of course, from the actual kit, we are using the a la carte cliffhanger 1B and also the cliffhanger 1A. Of the kit, we are going to use these papers. There's only 4 that I plan to use because I'm going to be using the back side of this paper too, or at least this one. This is going to be our base. And by the way, guys, this is the stickers from Walmart. I've shown that to you when I revealed my kit for June for the mini kit Monday, and this is by Sticko, and I bought them from Walmart. And let's start playing. I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm trying to figure out, because I want this part here, the one that says handsome, and that's where we're going to cut this. I'm going to trace this. And then we will trace this a la carte cliffhanger, and I'm trying to avoid the kink on the paper, so I'm going to use this part here. Turn it over. Thank goodness it's not directional, only directional up and down. Okay, I wanted to make sure I see it when I cut it later. And then we are going to use this back part for this chevron here. So I was thinking, since we're already cutting this, I was gonna cut this portion here. It is time to cut. Because these are straight cuts, I'm using my trimmer here to cut the straight lines. Here I'm going to cut 2 inches from the peaks of this chevron. And although I can still cut this with the trimmer, I am not going to use the trimmer because it's a dark paper. I won't be able to see the lines very well like I did with the green. So I'm going to cut this using scissors. Okay, we're going to cut this now. It's now time to ink our elements, guys. Let's put our elements together, guys. Start with this one. And then this, like so. Let's pull our paper here and commit this. Okay, and I'm going to cover the kink down here. There you go. And then let's put on our pictures. I want to make sure my pictures go there like so. There you go. Well, we'll put this up here like so. Okay, and so let's commit this whole thing now. There you go. And then now let's put our title. So I don't know about you guys, but my kids, I still see them as, and I know they're adults, but I still see them as little kids. So I'm gonna title this as Man Boy. So let's see. Man boy, that's how I see my child, my son. Sometimes I see him as a man, most often a boy. Anyway guys, thank you again for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I do create layouts for the monthly Kiwi Lane Club Kits, and I do have a playlist, and I'm going to put it up here for the Kiwi Lane Club Kits. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. We're trying to grow our family. And yep, that's it for now guys. Thank you so much. Be safe out there, and that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.